Assalamualaikum students, I'm your maths teacher Ma'am Ruqaya. Hopefully you are doing well. So we are going to start our revision from the unit number 4 measurement. Okay, so in measurement we will learn about so many standard units. So first we will learn about the length. We measure the length of different objects by using the standard units of length. So first we will learn about the meter. This is the standard unit in length. When we will measure in length something, so we will first learn about the meter. So what is meter? Always keep it in your mind that meter, we will use meter for the longest object. For example, table. This is a table which is the longest object, and for table we will use the standard unit meter. Another example is a door. Door is also a longest object. That's why we will measure it with the standard unit meter. I have one more example in meter, that a cabinet. We will measure a cabinet with the standard unit meter because this is also a longest object. Now you know that when we will measure the longest object, so we will measure it with the standard unit meter. Now we have another standard unit, centimeter, in the length. A centimeter is a ruler is used to measure the length of short objects. Okay, always keep it in your mind that when we will measure shortest object, so we will measure it with the standard unit centimeter. Okay, so first example is for centimeter, that is hair clip. You know, hair clip is a shortest object. That's why we will measure this shortest object hair clip with the ruler of centimeter. So always keep it in your mind that when we will measure shortest object, so we will use a centimeter ruler because centimeter ruler is used always for shortest objects. Okay, so another example is for centimeter is a paper clip. This is also a shortest object. That's why we will measure it with the centimeter ruler. Now this is the another standard unit which is in the length, and always keep it in your mind that we will use kilometer for the distance between two places or two cities or two buildings. Have you seen these two buildings on your book page number 90? So we will measure the distance between two buildings through the kilometer. Always keep it in your mind that kilometer will use for the distance between two buildings. Whether it will be buildings, whether something places we will use the distance between places. Now I have a question for you people. Can you guess the distance between your school and home? Now after getting this lecture, you will know very well about the meter, about the centimeter, about the kilometer. So now I'm going to tell you about the short forms of centimeter, meter and kilometer, that which type of short forms we can use it for the kilometer, meter and centimeter. Students, have you seen that the short forms for the standard units in length? For the meter, the shortest form will be small letter m. cm is the shortest form of centimeter and km represent the kilometer.